You guys are on the boat.
They're brave. They're brave. Mom gonna make it, or she still? She did it!
It did it. It did it. Just stay near your dad, please. Wow, it's got a kitchen. This is the store and the guy stayed. Could you imagine? Oh my god. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, careful, Naya. Please don't jump around and stay. Hold on to the side like I did, just because it makes me feel better.
How can we jump on the side?
I don't know. I don't know.
Where's the door?
Yeah, I think they got it all barred off. It's the old lookout. So who's more